Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. Tonight's recipes from United Kingdom. And tonight we're having chicken and mushroom pie. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. We're heating up some oil in the brazier. We've added the chicken thighs and we'll saute. Then I add the mushrooms and the onions and we'll saute some more. Then I add the garlic and we'll saute for about another minute. This is the complete chicken and mushrooms. And it's going to be in the cold box for just a little bit to cool it down. Then we add butter to a saute pan and melt it. Then we add the flour and continue to whisk. And then I added the white wine and then continue to whisk. It's thickening up. Then I add the stock and then continue to whisk. Then I add the heavy cream and whisk it in. And here's the finished sauce. I combined the two, the sauce and the chicken. Here it is all mixed together. Now the chicken and mushrooms are ready for the puff pastry. I roll out the puff pastry on a floured surface. Then I place the puff pastry and egg wash it. And in the hot box it goes for about 25 minutes. Here it is right out of the hot box. And here's the finished chicken and mushroom pie with mashed potatoes. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.